Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful long weekend. We had a bank holiday in London. We really enjoyed. We had such a nice weather yesterday and today. I hope guys you had enjoyed too, and today is the first trading day of the month, Tuesday 1st of June 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market live as an intraday analysis and help my traders to bank amazing pips and the best trade of the day. All right, let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe channel. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Okay, let's move straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, as you can see here, last week we had this trade and short trade. Afterwards, the price reversed, and I did this analysis yesterday for some of my traders. So we have most of my traders, they were long at this consolidation breakout. They were long even today as well and banked beautiful pips. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at here, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, you can see here this was the consolidation breakout in intraday. And if you look at in 4 hour, we have these consolidations. We were looking this breakout and price nicely broken and beautiful as soon as the price hit this level, and that's why we announced to bank some profit. So once we break out is perform, bank some profit, then again as always look for the pullback. As you can see here, we had another small pullback this morning. If you look at here just before London Open, as we explained to trader, look for pullback because the momentum was bullish. Based on that, you can see we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and as soon as the price hit that major resistance level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we were long whole day. Based on the 4 hour and intraday, we had such a beautiful breakout and the pullback long trade on Euro USD. All right, so let's if you look at right now, it's look like the price is developing it head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here. If you look at here, head and shoulder pattern, if the price gonna break this major structure, then we look expecting a pullback short trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna respect, then long here. As I said to you guys, we are an intraday trader. We basically refine our entries and exit in intraday, and we take trade accordingly. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar today. Right, so if you look at the pound dollar, yesterday some of my traders, they were long and banked beautiful pips. Today, when the price respected this monthly resistance level, which is 142,400 level, and as soon as the price is developing this bearish engulfing candle, as you can see, we have a daily and the monthly resistance level, daily 42,188 level. As soon as the price is reversed, and at that time we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here because the price respected, and it's look like you can see here price respected many times. So we explained to trader, now it's time to keep taking a pullback short trade. If you look at here, we were short from here whole day in pound dollar. Right, so let me share with you the analysis. This is the analysis, some of the analysis I did from yesterday. I'm just going to share with you guys. This is the analysis breakout trade, which is I mentioned in 4 hour. You can see here this breakout in 4 hour, and if you look at in intraday, this was the breakout. After the breakout, pullback long trade. So bank beautiful pips. And then I did another analysis just for my traders. Look for another breakout. A bit technically I've updated this analysis. You can see we have another beautiful pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. And if you look at today morning analysis, this is the analysis I did at the just before London Open. That's what we explained to trader. Then look at price is going to hit the monthly and the daily resistance level. So let's see if the price is going to develop certain pattern. If you look at here, price nicely develop, double top at the major resistance level in 4 hour, and as what explained to trader, if the price is going to break the recent low, we should be taking a short trade here. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. Once that is confirmed, because we're watching in 4 hour, the bearish engulfing candle was performed, and after that just keep taking a pullback. You can see here we had such a beautiful short trade at the London morning session, at the New York session, because the price was at the major resistance support level. I was expecting price might going to break this level. Even I mentioned here, it's look like the price is developing inverted head and shoulder pattern. But as I said to you guys, we trade what we see it, not what we think it. So you can see here, price couldn't fail to break this level. Even in intraday, if we look at here in 4 hour, price broken, and after the breakout, retest and then continue. That's what we expecting it, and that's what happened. Price broken and also price retest. That's what we explained to trader. As long as the price stay below 200 EMA in intraday, as soon as the price hit this level, if you look at in 4 hour, price is basically respected at the, as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. Enjoy it, and let's see tomorrow. All right guys, so you can see we were short whole day in Euro USD. Bank beautiful. Most of the cable pair was short today. All right, so that's it. And if you look at right now, you can see, if you look at the previous price action, price basically in last 2 weeks, you can see last 2 weeks is in sideways market, you know, and every time when the price hit the support and resistance, we have a range opportunity in 4 hour. But in intraday, as you can see, if you find a valid entry, as I mentioned, I just showed you guys, we take this trade. So let's see if the price is going to hit this level or not. We'll let you know tomorrow. But we managed beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let's see the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trades. We were short whole day at the New York session. We were long, and let me explain to you guys. And if you look at the 4 hour, and this is what we were short here. As soon as we see this rejection and price broken this support level, so we were short. You can see, as I said to you guys, once we see the momentum is developed bearish and in intraday, we just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So until when the price hit this level, which is 120,000 level, and that's what we explained. And we found that the price hit to the low since 2015. So we find an opportunity counter long trade. So we were long. So beautiful trade. And let me share with you all that analysis, both short and long. All right, so let me bring the intraday analysis. Okay, so if in intraday analysis, if you look at even from yesterday, we were short. You can see this breakout short here, and that was this breakout consolidation in 4 hour. And afterwards, after the breakout, always pull back short trade here. Then we have another this morning, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, which price nicely respect, pull back, bank few pips here, and then take another pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. Then afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, explain, take another pullback short here. You can see here, beautiful, and that's what we explained. We have another short trade here. As soon as the price develop double bottom, and that's what we explained to trader, price hit to the major support level, and that's what we explained to trader. Now a possibility of counter long trade here. Then I did another analysis. Instantly you can see here that if the price is going to break the previous high, which we explained to trader here, you can see another double bottom here, and as soon as the price going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. As you can see here, we had such a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. So we're still long here. So let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break this level. Then we're going to be keep taking a pullback long here if the price is going to respect. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We'll let you know tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we always pay attention what other analyst is thinking and mentioning about the pairs. And we have taken this counter long trade once we found that one of the another analyst basically broadcast a very useful information about the dollar CAD. As you can see here, This is one of the very experienced analyst in Forex Life. He mentioned that text because system scan any information, broadcast that help us traders. System broadcast here. If I show you here, this was the broadcast. One of the very senior trader, Craig, very good analyst. He mentioned about this dollar CAD. You can see here. As soon as we see this information, we explain to trader, I think there's going to be a possibility of counter long trade here. And then once we decided we're going to long, then I did another analysis instantly. This is the analysis that because that's what exactly we're looking at. Even we have found the information possibility of reversal, but we need a valid technical pattern, which we can see here. This is the pattern, double bottom, price broken, and as you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. All right guys, you can see here with the best trade, we technically all the pound dollar we were short and banked beautiful pips. One of the best pair I found, that was the pound yen. Let me share with you guys pound yen in 4 hour. As you can see in this morning, when the price respected this level, developed bearish engulfing candle, we were basically taking a short trade here. And that's what I explained to trader. This was the target, and which you can see here, price nicely. So we were short whole day, all day short on pullback. Even if you look at the today's analysis, this was the analysis this morning. You can see here, price respected, double top, broken, pullback short, and the London morning, New York session, and that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback short here, as you can see here. Beautiful 1 2 3 4 pullback. So we had such a beautiful trade on pound yen. Most of the cable we were short and banked beautiful pairs. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all this analysis in real time, that's the interesting thing. Basically that's what it's easier to explain the historical data and historical analysis, but the most important thing and interesting thing is live analysis, and that's what exactly my main objective, to help my traders through live intraday analysis. Or if you need a Forex coaching and training, as I said to you guys, we provide coaching and training through live intraday analysis. Our objective is to train trader with the live market and develop their trading skill in live market, and find the good traders and help them to get funded from prop firms. If you would like to know how I help my traders and through get funded and through live coaching and training, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is free, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Once again guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.